the AI machines, the training that AI does, is running out of data to consume. And we're going to have a conversation, I think, in a moment, or at least I want to talk about the idea of synthetic data. That is actually digital data that's almost reproduced off of data that doesn't exist. But I want to actually ask you about the data that does exist. There are a number of authors here at the Aspen Ideas Festival, and a number of journalists as well. And it appears that a lot of the information that has been trained on over the years has come from the web. And the question, and some of it's the open web and some's not, and we've heard stories about how OpenAI was turning YouTube videos into transcripts and then training on the transcripts. And who is supposed to own the IP? Who is supposed to get value from that IP? And whether, to put it in a very blunt terms, whether the AI companies have effectively stolen the world's IP.
Yeah, I think, look, it's a very fair argument. I think that with respect to content that is already on the open web, the social contract of that content since the 90s has been that it is fair use. Anyone can copy it, recreate with it, reproduce with it. That has been freeware, if you like. That's been the understanding. There's a separate category where a website or a publisher or a news organization had explicitly said, do not scrape or crawl me for any other reason than indexing me so that other people can find that content. That's a gray area, and I think that's going to work its way through the courts.
And what does that mean when you say it's a gray area?
Well, if so far some people have taken that information, I don't know who hasn't, but that's going to get litigated.
Right.
And
do you think the AI machines, the training that AI does, is running